Swing Hub. Today I'm here to provide some update about the next week. Today is October 5th. So for the next week from this coming Monday, October 6th, I have three stocks in my list which I'm going to watch so closely. Watch out the key levels, watch out the fundamental news and how we gonna take trade into that one. I will also provide the trade plans. You can start your trades. Usually I will give the start and the profit booking area, and you can also note down the stop loss area. So first stock in my list is the Netflix one. We saw pretty much really breakdown which is below the 200 moving average, and it is right now still in the sell pressure right now, and I can still see that the RSI value for this one is going around 45, which is in the moderate zone. So we don't know that the sell off has been finished yet or the buying has been started yet. So it's right in the middle of something. Any news can change, can bring this to up or down. So what I notice here is the pattern here. So if we look into a simple, I will just draw a trend line here that this, this, and this, right? In this trend line, we notice that every day around like this time 7 o'clock, right? We start our trade and it goes up. On Tuesday, it did repeated. Similar thing on Wednesday around 7 o'clock. We see like a red candle, and then suddenly after 7 o'clock, it get changed. And you can notice that around the close, it was like 116 and now it become 1176. Similar thing around 7 o'clock, take a trade, 140, 1140, and then it went down to 1160. So it's still getting a deep sell off, then it's getting increment buying, sell off, buying, sell off, buying. So I would say that if we keep repeating this kind of pattern next week or maybe Monday, Tuesday, we will definitely take our trade. But there are also some indicators where we need to look into that whether it is a heavy sell off or it is not a heavy sell off. So I would suggest to look down into the super trend. Right now you can see it's a sell off, right? It is obviously below 200 moving average, so it is definitely a sell off. But I would also suggest to look out the key levels. If you don't have this indicator, I can provide the link about this one. I can create a video if you want to have this know about how to set up this one. I can create a video, just drop in the comments. So you can definitely notice that there is this trend line. Whenever we hit this trend line, we go up. But what if we go below this trend line? It will not go up. There is a more sell-off to coming up. And I can also provide some of the key levels which I am targeting here. That right now it is around 160 for the target for 15-minute moving average, 15-minute time chart, and we also have the bullish one. But whenever we see this kind of two chart happening here, we are not still into like fixed stage. The stock can go up, can go down. But eventually if you are a long-term buyer, you don't doing intraday trading, you just wanted to get into stock for like a monthly or like a 2 or 3 month swing trade, then you can definitely see this is a definitely a buy. You will you got a good chance to buy this stock. The target here are is 1400 and 1420, 1430, and we do have earning this month, so we're gonna watch this stock. Okay, so the next stock we have is the uh, Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines we have earning this week, coming week, and we can see that in terms of the analysis wise, this stock has been going around. I will just change to 15-minute. This stock is going around this key levels in this box, and we don't need this FBB right now. So it's still right now a bullish signal for me. It's above 200 moving average, plus there is a super trend going on this buy side. And the most interesting thing which I think will matter is about the forecast, right? If we look into this one, this stock is around going around 57. We still have a chance to go above the minimum and below the average. So I think 67, 68 can be a targeted area for this stock after a huge earning. And in terms of the revenue wise, we can see that the revenue is estimated around 1.53 USD. Sorry, EPS, and the revenue is around 15 billion. It's similar, it's lesser than last quarter, so things might get changed, but I would say like this are the estimated one, and it mostly it has go beyond this one, right? And right now the stock level is really like a good buy. I would not suggest doing an option play until we don't have direction before the 1 day of earning. But if you want to do like a swing trade, then definitely go for it. It will be a good analysis stock to put in the watch list. And I will also show out the key levels, how the chart looks like. If we go down to like 30-minute time frame, we still have the target of 60, but we do have a target of 50. So it's not in the correct direction right now. The stock can be moved in any direction. Let's look into the chart for 1 day, how it looks like. 1 day chart is still bearish. So uh, stock can go down. It depends on the earning wise. 1 hour, again, it's bearish and it's about 200 moving average. So I would say put your stop loss, put your limits, and definitely watch out how the stock moves next 2 days. Based on that, we can take decision before earning whether we want to buy heavily or not. I will be trying to post a video on this one so that we can get to know about the analysis. And the third and last talk is about the hood, a Robinhood. It has been going around so bullish right now. We have this whole huge candle formation coming up last this week Monday. Then it's going up and up, right? Technical wise, this stock should be bearish once we go below 200 moving average. Right now is still bullish. And if we look into the auto chart pattern formation, we can see that looking at a 5 minute time frame, it is showing up the head right shoulder pattern. But I would say this is, I know it's below moving average, but we don't know the long term trend is. So the long term trend is still bullish. So I will not trade into this one for shorting out this position until it breaks down this 145 level. If it breaks, then we can take a trade for 140 around key levels. I hope everyone liked this video, and please do like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you got any questions. I'm happy to help, and thank you so much.